All right, so I just got off of work and I rushed to the mailbox. Reason I did so is because something came in the mail today that I'm really excited about. This is something that I saw on Emily and Henry's channel over at the KDM Station, and they were working with Billetworkz on a pretty badass shifter for the Veloster and Elantra and all of the N models with a manual gearbox. So here it is. Let's check it out. All right, so I ripped the tape off. I took it out of the packaging. So you're actually going to see what it looks like at the same time that I do. So they have a ton of different options. Well, before I do this, they have a ton of different options on what you can do. You can choose the type of knob, the shape of the knob, color, engraving. It's really thousands of possibilities on what you can do. So I'm excited to show you what I got on mine. So let's open this up. All right. Business card. Visit their website. Billetworkz. Comes with a decal. Definitely be putting this one on. And here it is. Ooh. Okay. All right. Oh, wow. It's pretty weighted. Oh, damn. I love that. So, it is almost a dead match to the wrap on the car. And it might not show right in the light or whatever, but it is almost a dead match. And I love it. So, I can't wait to put this thing on. So, let me show you how this is done. Taking off the one that's on there now and putting this guy on. All right, so I put everything back. Full disclosure, my install is going to be based on Emily and Henry's video, and I'll link to it here. And that's what I'm referencing, and that's what I'm going based off of, because Billetworkz doesn't have an install guide on there yet, but I'm sure that you guys could use my video, could use their video to go ahead and get this done. So it's going to be very easy. First things first is you got to take off your old knob. So the way that you take off the old knob is to actually pull on that thing like you want to kill the stars. So let's go ahead and do it. See if I can do it one-handed, because I don't have a stabilizer or anything right now. So you're going to go ahead and grab everything here and literally pull up like your life depended on it. So let's see. Doesn't look like I can do it with one hand. Let me take this off and then I'll get back to you. All right, so I took it off already, but to illustrate what you're going to do is you're going to go in, really go just as hard as you can up. And then all of this comes out. And what we're going to do is put the boot with the reverse lockout right back in there. So put that back in there with the spring. So put this back on. There it is. Now let's grab the Billetworkz stuff. All right, so I grabbed the Billetworkz stuff, so the knob and the adapter. First thing we're going to put on is this adapter. And it allows us to go from what we have here to the threaded one that comes with the Billetworkz, the shift knob. So I'm taking it out of the packaging, and here it is. You'll see that the holes for the screws are offset. So, okay. Ha! Gay! I think I want to be somewhere around here. And let's see how this works. So I'm going to fine tune this and then go from there. Okay, so literally on my first try, this worked for me. So what I did is that I put one on only, just that one there. You can see there's supposed to be 4, one on each side. And you see how my reverse lockout goes right to where the threads end. So I'm gonna put the knob on. Let me position the knob. Jesus, can't screw the knob on today. Okay, and I'll fix the position right now, but you see now, well, there you go. Perfect. Now I could go higher if I really wanted to. I actually might go just a little higher. Let me try real quick. Alright, so what I ended up doing, so I can get this to focus on there. Let's see. Yeah, kinda. So what I did was that I made sure that the top hole, this hole here, was right at the very edge of the tower for the knob. And now I'm putting the rest of them on. Alright, so success. Went ahead and put all 4 of the retaining screws, I guess is what I'm going to call them. And like I said, I made sure that the highest one was right under where this, I guess this shifter pole starts. And it still gives me full range of motion, as you can see there. Full range of motion for the reverse lockout. Everything works. So, all good to go. Now, a tip that also came from Emily and Henry was to put a little bit of Teflon tape at the end of this, so that way you can adjust accordingly exactly where you want it. So let me grab some Teflon tape and we're going to do that too. Alright, so I put some Teflon tape on the last couple threads, and now it's nice and tight, not going anywhere. Reverse lockout, perfect. And it definitely made a difference over this one here. Now, I don't want to knock the OEM one because this is OEM Plus. This is from SoCal GarageWorks. So if you like this, definitely go hit up SoCal GarageWorks. They make the best OEM Plus stuff. So this one, what should I do? Hit me up in the comments with what I should do with this one. Should I raffle it off? Should I give it away? Should I keep it? Let me know what you guys think. But this is the Billetworkz shift knob, and honestly, in my opinion, it looks badass. So definitely recommend it. And it's a mod that honestly, I don't see why you guys wouldn't want to go for it. It definitely helps out a lot when it comes to the feel of shifting and everything. And there's tons of patterns you can get. You can change this out for anything else. If you didn't want the N on there, what have you, you can get that all changed out. Now, the engraving is amazing. The powder coating is great. The feel, fit and finish is awesome. And I cannot wait to be driving around with this because I know this is going to make a difference the way it feels. So if you guys definitely want to pick one of these up, they have tons of different colors, shapes, sizes. It works for us, as you can see. Really quick adapter, done deal. And they also have the N logo on there if you wanted to stay with that. Other than that, they have tons of other logos. They have snails, Pikachus, Pokemons, all kinds of stuff. So definitely check it out. And on this video, comment, like if you haven't, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.